What's up guys, DJ Gabuli Architect here and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is about how to create a column using Revolve. Okay, first, let's open the file. Then just choose architectural template, then set OK. And then let's open let's create a floor first. Okay, then set OK. And then let's go to 3D view, select this 3D view, and then let's open the elevation, then select this is elevation, then let's go to view and select this tile views. Okay, and then let's adjust this one, let's adjust the height, maybe 6,000 millimeters. Then the other side. Okay, then let's hide this by category. Then let's go to our left floor plan, and then next is let's go to architecture tab, select this component and select this column. Okay, then let's use the revolve, create revolve, then use the pick and plane, then using tab that one. Okay, then select this line from the top of the level to the floor, and then okay, let's adjust this one so that makita natin yung saktong paggawa natin ng revolve ng column. Okay, let's close this floor plan first, maybe also this 3D view. Let's close this one, then select again the 3D view, yan, then view again, then select this tile views. Okay, so it's clear now. And then let's start to create a column. Select this line like that. Okay, select like that line. Okay, let's delete this long line first. Okay, then create another line. Then select this arc line. Okay, another line like that. Then select this again, the curve line, maybe like this. Then select again the line, maybe like this. Then move it down again, then like this. Then create a fallen line. Okay, then another curve line, maybe it's just like this. Yan. Then make another line like this. Kayo lang bahala kung paano nyo gawin guys yung column nyo na guys. And then like this. And then like that. Then add another curve line. Then create a straight line again like this, like that. Then another curve line until here. Then last one is the line again. Then let's connect it. Okay, let's add more line. Okay, use this circle, maybe like this. Okay, kaya nang bahala kung anong style ng column gagawin nyo guys. Okay, and then just type split natin yan. Just type SL split type that. Then just type TR for trim. Let's delete this one first. Then let's trim this one. Just type TR, shortcut for trim, like this. And then okay, then the other one, let's create a circle for another molding. Okay, it's up to you how many molding do you want to add. Then just type SL for split, this. And then just type TR for trim. Then let's delete this one first. Then trim again, type TR. Like this. Then okay. Select this axis line. Then set okay. See, we have already our column. Okay, just set okay. Then let's modify this floor. Let's adjust this one like that. Then set okay. So we have already our column. Okay. Okay, so let's apply the materials for this column. Just select this column, select this one, edit in place, select edit in place, and then apply materials. Let's choose concrete. Then maybe we'll use concrete cast in place in gray, or this one, concrete sand and cement screed. Then finish model. Then choose realistic for our graphic display. Okay, let's change another materials. Okay, select this one, edit place, select, then maybe let's find another materials. Maybe this one, cast in place gray. Then finish. Okay, so that's all, guys. So new lessons to learn, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.